Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you what T-Life app is and how to use it. Let's get started. T-Life app is T-Mobile's all-in-one mobile application that consolidates several of its services and benefits into a single platform. T-Life serves as the central hub for managing various T-Mobile services including T-Mobile Tuesdays, home internet management, sync up device and field. Now let's move to how to use the T-Life app. First of all, what you need to do is open up your app store, then search T-Life from your search bar. After it pops up, tap on T-Life with this icon here, tap and then install your app. After installing it, open up your app. So after that, you need to log in and create a T-Mobile ID to use this app, or you can explore the app. So also agree to the terms and conditions that grant necessary permissions including notifications and location. So at the bottom of your page you have your Tuesdays option here, so tap on the Tuesdays to view and redeem your weekly offers, home internet, and then navigate to connect, tab to manage your Wi-Fi settings, view uses and adjust gateway configurations, and tab to manage your Wi-Fi settings. Under the connect tab, select things to manage devices like sync up kids watch, sync up drive and sync up tracker. Then you can go to manage option here at the bottom, manage tab to activate the scam shield features, report unwanted calls and adjust settings. So once you log in, you can do this all, and this is how you can use this app. I hope you guys liked this video. If it did, like and comment down below if you have any questions. So see you in the next video. Bye.